everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Scott Joplin arrangement for the beginners. Okay, let's take a look. This song has a walking bass, which is very repetitive. Okay, then the right hand, you start playing it at the beginning the way it's written, which is when you know right hand and left hand, you put them together. And when you know everything really well, you get the jazzy feel. For your convenience, finger numbers also printed in the score. Happy playing everyone, and I'll see you soon.